One more protester dies in Assam. Death toll touches 5. Tension escalates in West Bengal over Citizenship Amendment Act. And MP Dr. Ranjan flags off tri-nation cycle trip to Southeast Asian countries. Good afternoon, you're watching Times of Manipuri English News. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. Ishwar Nayak, a resident of Tangla in Udalguri district in Assam, who was injured during an anti-CAA, then anti-CAB protest in Guwahati on Wednesday, succumbed to his injuries today. According to media reports, the 25-year-old was shot at from behind while he was protesting against the Citizenship Amendment Bill in downtown area of the city on Wednesday. He was working in Fashion Big Bazaar for the last 1 year. Battling with life and death for 4 days, the 25-year-old Nayak succumbed to his injuries on Sunday, and with his demise, the death toll in anti-CAA related shooting touched 5 in the state. Around 25 persons received bullet injuries and another 50 civilians were injured during clashes with security forces. After Northeast, the violent protests against the Citizenship Act have hit several other states, with tensions escalating in West Bengal, Delhi and Maharashtra. Several incidents of violence were reported in Howrah and Murshidabad districts of West Bengal, where protesters blocked roads and vandalized railway stations, leading to disruptions in vehicular movement and train services. According to a media report, buses were also vandalized and public property was damaged by the agitators. Particularly in Murshidabad district, trains movements were stopped in Jangipur, Mahipal and other railway stations nearby. Train services between Lalgola and Palasi were cancelled as the protesters torched down a ticket counter at Sakrail railway station. Places like Jalangi, Raghunathganj, Samsherganj, Khandi, Brahmpur and Domkal had maximum effect of the protest, while the normal life came to stand still because of the protest. Earlier in the day, West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee gave statements slamming the government and hinted towards leading the statewide protest against Citizenship Act. Banerjee said that her government would not allow any NRC exercise or implementation of the Citizenship Amendment Act in West Bengal. The protest against the Citizenship Act took a violent turn in West Bengal yesterday, even as the situation eased in Assam. As protesters torched railway station and buses, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee appealed for people to shun violence. Manipur MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan today flagged off a 4-member team of National Institute of Mountaineering and Allied Sports for a 40-day cycle rally to Southeast Asian countries. It was flagged off from Kangla in Imphal. The cycle trip will cover Myanmar, Thailand and Malaysia, which is a distance of about 4,000 kilometers. Speaking at the event, Dr. Ranjan wished the team a good luck and said the trip will foster cordial relations among the Northeast states and neighboring countries.
And I pray to God the team should reach the destinations without any disturbance and without any difficulties, and please bring the Laurent and come back to the nation again with a good hope for future growth in these expeditions.
At the event, a memorandum of understanding was also signed between Manipur Mountaineering and Training Academy and NIMAS. The memorandum agrees that students of MMTA will get training under NIMAS and also to take part in various national level adventurous programs. We have a short commercial break coming up next. Curfew relaxed for 13 hours in Shillong. More after the break.
Admission open. Admission open. Sangai Tutorial Kwakaitel. Thus commencing revision course 5th December 2019. Timing 3:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Foundation course 9th December 2019. Special features, mock tests, printed study material, hostel for boys and girls, van services. For more details, please contact 8787 307 245.
Pakong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan toge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan toge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba. School du da dum changnai coaching tohanba.
Mama mapaga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam ki topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Takshila Institute, most trusted national brand with 27 centers span India. 21 plus years experience in NEET G coaching. Highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties. 25,000 plus success stories in the past 21 years. Online, offline, doubt clearing session. Study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell. Smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi. 24 hours Wi-Fi campus. Brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangwaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 600 944 5522.
Yang what?
Soktabana loidi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Soktabadu koknaba rebalance. Rebalance na haksangi salt amadi electrolytes singi awatpa mekhatuna adongi haksangbu tagat tikna thamba ngamali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Welcome back. In Meghalaya, amid the Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act protest, the District Magistrate of East Khasi Hills District has relaxed the curfew for 13 hours today in all curfew-bound areas notified under Lumdengiri Police Station and Sardar Police Station and their respective outposts and beat houses. Media reports said the areas under curfew include the whole of Jayo, Maukhar, Wahingdo, Mission, Mauprem and other vulnerable places. It may be mentioned that due to the raging protest against the new law, Union Home Minister Amit Shah's visit to Shillong was cancelled. Northeast is on the way to face an artificial scarcity of petroleum products as well as other essential commodities very soon. According to sources, the Indian Railway authorities have been instructed to stop the movement of goods, trains, including trains carrying petroleum products, to the northeast, citing the unrest going on in the region in protest against CAB 2019. The people of Manipur, Assam, Tripura and Meghalaya have come out to the streets to stage protest against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019. It may be mentioned that the Northeast Frontier Railway, in an order on Wednesday, had cancelled, originated a total of 30 passenger trains. There could be some changes in the Citizenship Amendment Act, Union Home Minister Amit Shah has indicated as he blamed the Congress party for instigating violence in the northeast, where protests have erupted, leading to the death of at least 3 people. Amit Shah said he wants to assure the people of Assam and other states of the northeast that their culture, language, social identity and political rights will be not affected by the act, a media report said. Protesters have clashed with the police in several areas of northeast since Parliament approved the Amendment Act earlier in the week. triggering a debate on whether the grant of citizenship could be linked to religion. The new law allows citizenships to Hindus, Parsis, Sikhs, Jains, Christians, and Buddhists fleeing persecution in Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Bangladesh. It has rolled the Northeast, which has for long demanded protections to safeguard its cultural identity. District Legal Services Authority Thoubal organized National Lok Adalat yesterday at the Thoubal Court Complex. District and Session Judge Salam Tara Devi, Judicial Magistrate First Class Sardai Yingkhom, Thoubal Family Court Judge Salam Imocha handled cases related to civil, bank loan and telecom bill recovery during the Lok Adalat. Out of 82 cases, 61 were disposed of. Over Rs 5 lakh was collected during the Lok Adalat. Another short commercial break, stay tuned.
Manipuri ahanba amadi adongi khwaidagi pamjaba satellite channel Times of Manipur TOMTV Airtel DTH ki channel number 646 ta fangbiragani.
Another one in Waipa, government get Habama so in a Pangbayargan. ICS coaching center na 100% job, Pangabagitamakta guarantee Pedro Lali. India Gyo in a Saka Gitaba quite a missing in a Fangaliba, ICS coaching center in Father Sohanagan. ICS ki thread over physics singdi, course Amakaki preparation to Viraga, Tungan department singi Hybidi, banking, railway, post office, home, teaching, defense, court, Hybusing as that Tabak line of Pangalagan. ICS ki teaching method na. Minute Marie Nataga Manga Sangataba question Singbu, second Ahum Nataga Marie the source of Bangamali. In Father Lariba, ICS Coaching Center to the boarding Kudong Chavu Tamzari. For details, please contact ICS Coaching Center Imphal, Kasamthong Hodam Lairak.
Kurumjari Lamjingba Finance Namakal Kudimaki Gari Singh Haibadi, 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles, and commercial equipment single loan Pizari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani
amadi adom gi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano makal khudimaki gari ke asu bandan dawzare Christmas ke oiba kadaba offer su pizari
akupa marol gi damakta lengsinbirau Lamjingba Finance Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Nitainanda Temple natragana
Lamjingba Finance Uripok Hawam Diwan Lekai.
Ekoi gi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Mang ramda umikyo ikon goy buni
Welcome back. Negotiators worked into the early hours today to try to salvage a strong global commitment in fighting climate change after some of the most vulnerable nations said they were being sidelined at a marathon UN summit in Madrid. According to media reports, talks were scheduled to conclude on Friday last, but extended into a second extra day as major economies and smaller states struggled to resolve outstanding issues under the 2015 Paris Agreement to tackle global warming. China has suspended additional tariffs on some US goods that were meant to be implemented today after the world's two largest economies agreed a Phase 1 trade deal on Friday. The deal, rumors and leaks over which have gyrated world markets for months, reduces some US tariffs in exchange for what US officials said would be a big jump in Chinese purchases of American farm products and other goods. According to reports, China's retaliatory tariffs, which were due to take effect today, were meant to target goods ranging from corn and wheat to US-made vehicles and auto parts. China hopes, on the basis of equality and mutual respect, to work with the United States to properly resolve each other's core concerns and promote the stable development of US-China economic and trade relations. Now we have the sports news. Liverpool kept their Premier League title push going strong as they overcame a resilient Watford side to win 2-0 at Anfield in Liverpool yesterday. As per media reports, the visitors caused plenty of problems for Liverpool from the first minute until the very last. But a goal in either half from Mohamed Salah moved the Reds on one step closer to becoming the champions of England. With the win, Liverpool now moved 11 points clear at the top of the league. Now the top news headlines.
The Shanghai Express, amended Citizenship Act. Protest intensifies in Bengal. Trains, buses torched. Curfew relaxed in Guwahati for 9 hours. Manpack reaffirms stand against Citizenship Act. Dissent grows in Assam's BJP-AGP government. Many leaders quit. Assam government employees announced cease work on December 18th. People's Chronicle, Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act protest rage in Northeast West Bengal. Manpack Musu vow to sustain Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act stir. CM Keen abducted for ransom, freed. Patrol in stock for over 5 days, says CAF and PD Minister. Imphal Free Press, Manpack resolves to continue stir against Citizenship Act. IOC official diffuses panic. Buying spree, says there's enough fuel. Citizenship Act. Left parties call general strike on December 19th. Northeast must join force against Citizenship Act, says Shyam Sharma. Musu stands up. The Morning Bell. State has fuel stock for 5 days, says Minister Shyam. Oil depots instructed to ration fuel. 3 liters for 2-wheeler, 5 to 4-wheeler and 10 to heavy vehicles. Northeast to face fuel supply problems. Left parties call 12-hour statewide general strike on December 19th. Declines Chief Minister's invite for high tea on CAB. RD and PR Department Manipur backs 8 national awards. After US, Canada issues travel advisory for Northeast. Manpack reaffirms stand to fight against new citizenship laws. Manipur Mail. Prime Minister Modi has destroyed economy, says Rahul Gandhi. RD and PR Department backs 8 awards. CAA 6 to divide country, says Moitra.
Now the top news headlines once again. One more protester dies in Assam. Death toll touches 5. Tension escalates in West Bengal over Citizenship Amendment Act. And MP Dr. Ranjan flags off tri-nation cycle trip to Southeast Asian countries. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.